If you have been patiently waiting to get your hands on the new Smach Z PC handheld games console, you might be interested to know. The development team at Smach have this week announced they will be opening up pre-orders on March 15, 2018. Pricing the console from $629, although no details have been announced as yet when the handheld games console will start shipping. From March 15th onwards, the first 10,000 customers will receive a 10% discount off the recommended retail price of the Smach systems, allowing those interested to pre-order the Smach Z for $629, or a Smach Z Plus for $809. Smach has announced some benchmarks for popular games, which are expected to be available to play on the handheld PC games console, although no final prototype systems have been released into the wild for verification at the current time. The Witcher 3, 720p medium settings, 40 FPS. Alien Isolation, 1080p low settings, 50 FPS. GTA 5, 720p normal settings, 60 FPS. League of Legends, 1080p high settings, 60 FPS. Rocket League, 1080p normal settings, 60 FPS. Dark Souls 3, 720p low settings, 40 FPS.